guys, and welcome to the Polynesian Village Resort, and this is the Bora Bora Bungalows. And in case you guys haven't noticed, I'm doing a voiceover today because Morgan decided he wanted to film but not give you guys a tour, so I'll be doing a voiceover. This is your first bedroom as you walk in. Right to the left, you've got a nice sized bed, a couple of built-ins right down there. You got one in the wall and underneath the window. So if you got a bigger family, there's a lot of space here for people to camp out. Across the hall, you've got your master bedroom here. Nice sized bed. You've got the doorway walking out to the back deck with the hot tub out back there, guys. You've got a closet. You've got your main desk and your TV in the bedroom. And your own ensuite. It's a beautiful ensuite. It's got the subway tiles on a vertical instead of horizontal for a change. And you've got your television right in the mirror. Something Disney seems to be doing lately. It's kind of cool. You've got a double sink in here. You've got the windows up above the mirror. You can see them in a reflection. And you've got your shower with the built-in the wall back there for putting like shampoos and stuff. That's a beautiful bathroom, guys. Yeah, it's a beautiful bathroom. And across the hall, you guys can see the bedroom with the surfboard headboards there. And then coming down the hall, you've got the main bathroom to the whole bungalow. You've got your toilet room in here, your sink, and then you've got your shower and another sink in here. So you've got a little bit of privacy so people can get ready and take showers. Some artwork in the hallway here. And then continuing down the hall, you've got the open concept. You've got the kitchen, dining, living room all in one. They've got the high ceilings. You've got built-ins in the wall. You can see the one with the electrical parade in the wall under the TV. And then you've got the couch that actually pulls right out. So that whole wall's a dummy. It pulls down. And then you've got your little kitchen area, guys. And then going out back, you've got your deck. And off to the left here, you have your little hot tub. And that, I'm going to guess, is going to be the spot where you want to be at nighttime when the lights are out. Not during the middle of the day, guys. So at nighttime, it lights up back there with the Magic Kingdom. Very pretty out there. Give you guys a look at the ceiling up there. Nice high ceilings, a lot of space. It's a great room for having parties. Having the family hang out. You've got, like I said, some built-ins in this room. You've got the master. You've got the second bedroom. So you've got a lot of space in here. I'll give Morgan a little direction on where he's got to go with the camera today. Once again, a look at the master. I think the only thing I would have done differently in the master here would be to get that desk out of there. Other than that, the bathroom is beautiful. One more look at that TV, guys. A little window looking out. That's a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. There's your toilet area. And I think I would have liked to have seen that desk go. Other than that, it's a beautiful bedroom. Nice carpeting under the bed. And we'll show you that first bedroom one more time and our DVC guide over here. Nice headboard. You don't see that every day when you're looking out over at the Polynesian Resort. And one more time, there's your built-in, guys. So this is the Disney Bora Bora Bungalows. And if you guys are looking to stay here right now during the holidays, you're looking at about $3,000 to $6,000 a night to stay here, guys. So definitely pack your wallets. And see you guys in the next one.